So I will go down to look at so this is what we talked about, that we have humanoid characters with a typical humanoid skeleton inside, and many systems they use the system from Autodesk, but others are not using the same. And where can we find these humanoid models? Well, we can go to Mechanim3 like we saw before, but we can also go to Unit Asset Store, or we can make them ourselves, or the artist can make them. So they need to export these, and you can see here the best is to use FBX 2012. So this is what we can ask them to use for Unity. We will not look at this where we're doing a lot of stuff here. We'll just see, okay, what is best for getting from the artist is a character with a T-pose inside and a humanoid skeleton with the rigging set up the right way, just as we discussed before. So this is what we expect to get. Then we import the animations, and we do this by dragging in the FBX files. We'll see this later. And then when we click on the FBX files in the inspector, we have this where we have the model, the rig, and the animation. So this is the typical inspector window for one FBX files. And the last part here, so splitting animations. So this is where we inside the FBX file, sometimes we have like they are split up already with different names on the timeline in the FBX file. So we'll get this into Unity and everything will be ready. But we can also have what is called unsplit, so just one long take 001. This is a typical name from Maya, where we have take 001, and then we have to split up everything ourselves and give them relevant names. So this is done in the inspector in the animations area, where you have to check, is everything okay? I have a model, I have a rig which is humanoid, and what about the animations? Are these correct, yes or no? If not, then you can follow this and you can see how to do it. Finally, if you need to import a lot of FBX files, so one with the model and then all the walk, idle, jumps, then the artist should follow this kind of naming for the files, because if you do this, Unity will right away understand that these are connected and are animations that connect together. So again, this is very important between the developer and artist to agree about these standard things inside Unity, and this is our job to tell the artist, please use this version, use this kind of rigging, use a way of naming things, and it will be much easier for us to set up and code everything.